Right now we are passing a very hard time because of COVID-19, but still we have to study more because after opening our college we have to face more exams. There will be more pressure. So I know all of you are trying to learn from online virtual classes, YouTube video. It's okay, fine. I am Sharif Ahmed, lecturer of Cambridge School and College. I will try to help you about ICT related issues. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, and this topic is so much easy and important for creative questions and MCQ also. So let's switch to the lecture. So dear learners, before I starting our lecture, so I want to mention one thing, that I'm gonna divide this video into two parts. In this part, I will discuss about tree topology, which is bus topology, ring topology, and star topology. After that, I will make another video, and in that video, I will discuss about rest of the topologies. So let's see. So what is topology? Topology is nothing but a system that how basically computers are connected with each other, how they can transmit data for another computer. So in this network topology system, we will see about the transmission of data. So there are 6 kinds of network topology: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. So at the very beginning, we will discuss about bus topology. It's a very easy topology and easier to establish. So in this bus topology, we can see that all the computers are connected with the main backbone line. So what is backbone? We are human, we have backbone, and for this backbone purposes, we can stand properly. So in these pictures, we can see that all the computers are connected with the main backbone line, and this backbone line is the main part of this network topology. So all the computers are connected to a main backbone in this topology. Shared file received by the desired computer and the other computers ignore it. So suppose I am assuming that this is computer 1, 2, 3 and computer 4. So if computer 1 wants to transmit data for computer 4, then what will happen? So computer A transmit data into that way, and the connection point is called node. We can say it node. Okay, so we can say node, and this connection point and this connection point is also called node. Okay, suppose computer A wants to transmit data for computer 4, then computer A transmit data, but computer 2 and computer 3, okay, computer 2 and computer 3 will face the data, but they will ignore the data. Only computer 4 will accept the data, but computer 2 and computer 3 will ignore the data, because only computer 4 is the desired destination. Computer 1 transmit to data only for computer 4. So in this bus topology, if computer, suppose computer 2 it get damaged, suppose computer 2 get damaged, then what will happen? Computer A, computer 3 and computer 4 will perform smoothly. There will be no problem, because this is the individual computers. But if the main backbone line get damaged, then what will happen? The whole network system will be collapsed, because all the computers are connected with this line. So all the computers are connected with this line. If this get damaged, the network system will not work. Okay, so this is all about bus topology, and it is very easier to establish, and the cost is lower. Okay, so after that we will discuss about ring topology. So ring topology, the concept is look like ring. We can see the structure is uh, similar to circle, but it's not mandatory that always the structure will be same. Suppose consider if we consider sorry consider that the circle is like that, that can be also ring topology. It's not mandatory that the structure will be circle always. That's not mandatory. The main concept is, if the computer, if there are 1 2 3 4 5 6, in this picture we can see that there is 6 computers, and in these pictures we can see that every computer is connected with another 2 computers. Suppose I am considering these computers, and another 2 computers are connected with these computers. So the main concept is every computer will be connected with another 2 computers. Information or data moves from one computer to another following a particular direction. The particular direction, suppose this computer wants to transmit data for these computers, it will not happen because the direction is like this way. So we in this ring topology, the direction but the path is main sector, because you have to be transmit data with a particular direction. Suppose if these computers get damaged, then what will happen? The network will be transmit data into like this way, and after that the damage point, after that the transmission cannot proceed further because there is a damage. So if one computer get damaged, then the whole network system will be collapsed. So that is all about ring topology. So after that we will discuss about star topology. So star topology is very much important topology for creative questions and as well as MCQ purposes also. So in this star topology, we can see that all the computers are connected with the central hub or switch. In these pictures, we can see that there are 4 computers, and all the computers are connected with the central hub or switch. So for creating network first, star topology can be a better option. There is a great advantages. If one computer get damaged, suppose this is computer, and if this computer get damaged, then the network will not be collapsed, the network will be smoothly run. But if the main central hub or switch get damaged, then what will happen? Then the full network system will be collapsed. So you have to ensure that all the computers are connected with the main central hub or switch, and the hub or switch have to be performed smoothly. If the central hub or switch get damaged, the network system will be collapsed. So this is all about bus topology, ring topology, and star topology. So dear learners, in this revision part, I'm gonna show you again about the network topology system very shortly. So first of all, bus topology. So in this bus topology, there will be a main backbone line and there will be a terminator. In this topology, it can, suppose I am assuming that there is 2 computers. So computer A, computer B, computer C, and computer D. All the computers are connected with the main backbone line. Suppose computer A wants to transmit data for computer D, then what will happen? Computer A will transmit data for computer D, and only computer D will get the data because D is only the desired destination, and computer B and computer C will ignore the data, they will not get the data. So if the main backbone line get damaged, then what will happen? The whole network system will be collapsed. But if single computer get damaged, then it will be perfectly okay, the network system will not get damaged. After that we will discuss about ring topology. So in this ring topology, there can be multiple computers. Suppose there are 5 computers, so every computers are connected with each other. So I am considering these computers, and this computers is connected with 2 more computers. This computer is connected with 2 more computers. Every computer, suppose I am assuming this computer. So this computer, sorry. So this computer is connected with this computer and this computer. So every computer is connected with two more computers. If one computer get damaged, then the whole network system will be collapsed, because it cannot be transmit further, because there is a hole, there is a damage, then the network system will not work. So this is ring topology. After that the star topology. So in this star topology, there are suppose multiple computers, and all the computers will be connected with central hub or switch. All the computers are connected with central hub or switch. So if one computer get damaged, suppose this is get damaged, then all the computers will be work smoothly, there will be no problem. But if the central hub or switch get damaged, suppose this is central hub or switch, if the central hub or switch get damaged, then the whole network system will be collapsed. So in this video, I have discussed about bus topology, ring topology, and star topology. And after that, I will make another video, and in that video, I will discuss about tree topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. So if you have any problem on that particular topic, so you can ask me any question.